Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow participants to share whiteboard during a meeting on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button at the top. Then tap on Settings in the left side and then click on Meeting at the top. Scroll down to the In Meeting Basic section, and here you can find this Whiteboard Classic feature, allowing participants to share whiteboard during a meeting. You can allow to save the whiteboard content, and you can automatically create local export when sharing is stopped, save as PNG or save as PDF. Tap on the Save button to update this section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.